Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm sharing street style Kadai chicken fry inspired by Hyderabadi flavor. Spicy, smoky and full of bold masala just like your favorite street side chicken. Let's start the recipe. Heat oil in a pan. Add 1 cup sliced onion. Fry onion slowly for deep golden color and fry until golden brown. Fried onion adds natural sweetness to spicy gravies. Remove the fried onion and keep aside. In a bowl, add 500 gram chicken pieces, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon green chili, 3 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin, and half teaspoon pepper powder. Add the fried onion and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix well and marinate for 15 minutes. Kashmiri chili adds color without excess heat. Hyderabadi chicken dishes are known for bold spice balance. Marinate chicken for better flavor absorption. Heat the remaining fried onion oil. Add 2 cardamom, 3 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick. Now add the marinated chicken. Cook on high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. High heat cooking gives street style smoky flavor. Use high heat initially for sealing juices. Cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes until the water dries and chicken is well cooked. Cook until oil separates for perfect fry texture. Garnish with coriander leaves and onion rings. Chicken is a rich source of protein. Curd helps keep chicken tender and juicy. Homemade cooking avoids excess oil and additives. Controlled spices make it lighter than street food. Your street-style Kadai chicken fry is spicy, smoky and full of flavor. Serve it hot with naan, roti or rice. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovin Foods for more street-style chicken recipes.